trails and signs to identify species, and it's also a good way to sort of know what the animal was doing at the time. Looking for prints, you want to do it in the early morning or in the afternoon. The shadows make it more visible. Find one, you want to take a picture with the scale so you have a record of it, and also in case that it gets destroyed by someone walking by or maybe the rain. And you want to measure the length and the width, and then sometimes you also measure between the paw pads. You can also measure the straddle, which is the width between two prints, and the stride, which is the length between two prints. And then you use a quick field guide or a field guide to identify what your print is. You can also look for signs such as mud wallowing, which is when after they've rolled in mud, they scratch across a tree and you can see the height of the animal. Also use feathers, scat, there's signs as well. Now when you're looking at the prints, sometimes it's difficult to tell apart, such as antelopes, zebras. You use the length. Usually there's difference in length. Canids, they have claws in their prints. You see their claws in their prints. They don't have retractable claws. Cheetahs are actually a part of this as well. They have semi-non-retractable claws, so you'll see their claw prints in there as well because they need more traction to be able to run faster. Now felines, you don't see their claws, which is why the cheetah is an outlier. You don't see the cat's claws because they are retractable, and they're retractable so they can keep their claws nice and sharp for when they do need them, such as when they're hunting, or as in leopards when they're trying to climb trees. Birds, you can see there are palmates, which are the webbed feet. There's the ansiodactyl, which is the 3 toes in front and the toe in the back. We've also got zygodactyl, which is 2 in front, 2 in the back, I think. And there's the semipalmates, which is when there's a tiny bit of webbing between the feet. There are some limitations to finding tracks, such as the weather. If it's raining, that can wash away tracks, but it can also help make the consistency for new tracks to be made, so it's a win-lose situation. The best places to find tracks are on trails, gravel roads, sandy gravel roads, or by a water source because the mud is nice for the sediment.